lot of things that you can use your herbs for that people don't normally think of. So today we're going to be making a lavender bath bomb. So today you're going to need 8 simple ingredients. Here we have our cornstarch, baking soda, lemon juice, our lavender, some water, Epsom salt, coconut oil, and our essential oil. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to mix your cornstarch, your baking soda, and your Epsom salt all in a big bowl until it's a nice, even mixture. Next, in a separate bowl, you're going to mix your coconut oil, lemon juice, a little bit of water, and your essential oil. You can add more or less essential oil depending on how fragrant you want your bath bomb. Little by little, add your liquid mixture to your dry mixture, creating an even, crumbly mix. Once you have a good consistency, take your molds and fill them using the dried lavender to decorate the bath bomb. Don't fill them too much because you want your molds to perfectly fit together. Should look like. We got 5 of these out of this mixture. Now we're gonna let them sit for about 24 hours and we'll check on them tomorrow. Okay guys, so what we did was we let these bad boys sit for about 24 hours after we made them, but they still were really soggy. So we're checking on them now. It's been like 3 days and they're looking really good, so I'm really excited. Wow, look at that! Some of our bath bombs turned out a little bit crumbly, but it wasn't bad for a first try. In this case, we did add too much liquid to the mixture, meaning we had to keep them in the molds while they dried, and it took a bit longer for them to solidify. For a quicker outcome, use citric acid rather than lemon juice. This will also make for a more bubbly outcome in the bath. Bath bombs absorb quickly into your skin, taking their benefits up a notch. Proper ingredients can cleanse and moisturize your skin, and the right combination of essential oils can wake up dull, tired skin, leaving you feeling radiant. Thanks for watching. Visit chnursery.com or our Facebook page for more videos.